Good morning or afternoon, whichever it may be for you. We're going to talk about plant propagation today. You know, a lot of times I've had students ask me, well, I had a plant that was given to me by my grandmother and it's overgrown. What do I need to do? How do I need to save it? So I thought we'd take a look at a common houseplant today, which is Sansevieria. This is also known as mother-in-law's tongue or snake plant. And in some cases, both of those definitions are one and the same. A couple of those types of plants. We have another one over here, which is an extreme yellow. And again, this one's called a baseball plant. This other one is a Sansevieria craigeri, but they have all types of variations of these plants. But I thought I would show you a couple of ways to propagate or make numerous other plants from a single plant and do it in a very easy manner. The first thing you can do, if you've got a plant that's all crowded in a pot, you can remove it from the pot, and this one is fairly easy to remove. And you'll note these plants have connections underground, which are kind of rhizomes, and we're going to take these and we're going to just cut one of them. And when I cut that, I cut another one. Each of these can be planted and it will form a brand new full baseball plant or another Sansevieria of this particular type. So this is one method of doing plant propagation. There's another one that's not known very well, and I'll show you that. I have a box cutter here, actually clean cut. I'm going to take a major leaf from this plant, cut it through here, and cut it off. And I'm going to take sections of this and I'm going to cut them into portions. And we'll make this last one like so, and trying not to cut my finger at the same time. Now, all of these are oriented upwards. So what we're going to do is take a shallow pan or a shallow porcelain, not porcelain, but a terracotta pot or a base, and put a nice loose loamy potting soil in here, which can drain very well. And we're going to take these and we're going to insert these thusly in the soil with, again, the top side pointing up. And these will also produce brand new plantlets. Now, you'll soak this down and let it kind of dry out a little bit. Again, want to keep it just moist and not soaking. And if you are looking at the final outcome of this activity, in about a month and a half or so, 2 months, you will have a plant that is going to produce, now I'll take these out, these have been growing for a while, another plant which is developed from that portion or that cutting that you had started with. So this is another method of actually doing plant propagation. Again, here's another one. All of them will not survive. Some of them will, of course, not make it. But again, it's important to have a nice, well drainable potting medium, and you can see that you can develop another Sansevieria from the original leaf that you took in that cutting. So with that, we will bid you adieu. And again, plants are great to motivate. Again, if you've got plants that you want to propagate, this is a very easy method to do it. And again, these are very common and easy to produce. So with that, have a good day.